Hi, I'm Roberto Mazziero. I work at ADP, the payroll and human capital management software company. And I'm responsible for ADP Innovation Labs, which is one area of ADP that basically incubate new technologies and addresses some of the problems we have or opportunities we have on putting new technologies into our products and services. We need an enterprise-wide search, something that allows our users to really search across products, across domains, and is intelligent enough to bring the most relevant objects, the most relevant tasks to the top of the search. And we see search then becoming basically the main navigation tool, from benefits to recruiting to payroll, which is our core, to talent management, and allow the search to basically be seamless, independent of what project or what product you're using from ADP. In terms of number of users, it will be in the millions. In terms of number of clients, it will be in the thousands or hundreds of thousands. When we went about defining the product to accomplish what I've just mentioned, there were a couple of drivers there. One was we want something simple. We want to start with something that was to the point, had the features that we needed, and it was simple enough to get started. And I don't think Solr is something that you can call simple, but it is. I mean, it does have the features that we needed, and at the same time, it doesn't come with a lot of fat, right? So you can really accomplish what we wanted with what comes out of the shelf on Solr. So we host in our data centers hundreds of, thousands of clients. And we need that separation of the tenants to be very, that's sacred for us, right? You don't want a client A seeing data of client B and vice versa. And Solr was not really ready for that, but it was easy because it's open source. It was easy to kind of tailor the implementation to accomplish that multi-tenant capability. And scalability, we need to scale to millions or billions of documents after the first year, and I think Solr is a great tool to accomplish those. Even more now with Solr 4 and Solr Cloud, where I do have all the necessary features to accomplish the high availability disaster recovery with replicas, shards, and all the new features that came on the new product. I think that part that we thought would be sort of complicated and take a long time, it was not. It was a pleasure to work with. But I think takeaways is just go ahead and try it. It's not complicated, download it. We did a lot of POCs, a lot of proof of concepts with the multiple vendors. And I think one of the things that made us decide with Solr was how easy it was to just go in, give it a try, implement the application, and see how well it behaves.